Hey there, it's Vicki Marie. I'm going to take you guys along on a quick little shop with me at Sportsman's Warehouse, and then we'll come right back here and do chit chat. Now the clip is super short, and I'll show you what I ended up buying.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated if I listen to my heart.
Alright, so I had a lot of fun going into Sportsman's Warehouse. I enjoyed that store, and I was actually there to get John a birthday gift. And he's been wanting a new grill, and I checked out a few grills and a few other things. But I ended up getting a gift card because, you know, you just cannot go wrong with, oops, upside down, gift card. So I got him a gift card. He can pick out his own grill. I've been married long enough to know that's the wise thing to do. I learned a long time ago not to pick out his electronic stuff and his hobby stuff. Just let him do it. So, yep, so that's what I did. I got him a gift card, but I had my eye on a few things, like those floating floaties looked really good. I thought, oh, I could just get in one of those, go out to the lake and spend the whole day there, but can't do that. I'm here at another store. Anybody want to guess where I'm at? I don't think you can tell, but on the next video, you'll find out where I'm at. See if you can guess. This is a store more for me. You'll never guess. Don't even try. You'll just see on the next video. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.
I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl?